The highly anticipated Galaxy S24 series is set to be unveiled in less than a month, and recent leaks have provided detailed insights into the lineup's features and color variants. According to leaked images, the Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus will come in black, purple, white, and yellow color options. Both models showcase slim bezels around the display and sport a triple camera setup on the back. Meanwhile, the Galaxy S24 Ultra will offer black, gray, violet, and yellow color choices and is expected to feature a titanium frame for added durability. Leaker Avon Blass shared an image on X platform, disclosing the launch date for the Galaxy S24 series. As per the leaked information, the upcoming Galaxy Unpacked event is scheduled for January 18, 2024, at 3:00 a.m. The image hints at the arrival of Galaxy Eye, showcasing eye-powered functionalities with a sparkling emoji animation similar to Google Bard, possibly indicating the inclusion of Bard-like features in the Galaxy S24 smartphones. Additionally, AT&T's website revealed the model numbers for both carrier-locked and factory-unlocked versions of the Galaxy S24, Galaxy S24 Plus, and Galaxy S24 Ultra. Galaxy S24 locked, SMS 921U. Galaxy S24 unlocked, SMS 921U1. Galaxy S24 Plus locked, SMS 926. Galaxy S24 Plus unlocked, SMS 926U1. Galaxy S24 Ultra locked, SMS 928U. Galaxy S24 Ultra unlocked, SMS 928U1. All three phones are rumored to boast a 12-megapixel selfie camera within a discrete punch-hole display cutout. Additionally, they are anticipated to include premium features such as Gorilla Glass armor protection, stereo speakers, an ultrasonic under-display fingerprint reader, IP68 water and dust resistance, NFC, Samsung Pay, and a USB 3.2 Type-C port. Reports suggest that the Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus might utilize the Exynos 2400 processor globally, except for Canada, China, and the US, which could feature the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy chipset. On the other hand, the Galaxy S24 Ultra is rumored to use the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy chipset worldwide. Camera specs vary across the models, with the Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus expected to offer a 50-megapixel primary camera with OIS, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and a 10-megapixel telephoto camera supporting 3x optical zoom and OIS. The S24 Ultra could step up with a 200-megapixel primary rear camera alongside a 12-megapixel ultra-wide, a 10-megapixel telephoto with 3x optical zoom and OIS, and a 50-megapixel telephoto enabling 5x optical zoom and OIS. Display-wise, the Galaxy S24 features a 6.1-inch screen, the S24 Plus a 6.7-inch screen, and the S24 Ultra a 6.8-inch screen, all expected to offer QHD Plus resolution, HDR10 Plus, and 2600 nits peak brightness. Battery capacities vary as well, with the S24 packing a 4,000 mAh battery, the S24 Plus a 4,900 mAh, and the S24 Ultra a 5,000 mAh battery. Wireless charging capabilities are set at 15 watt and reverse wireless charging at 4.5 watt for all three models. However, wired fast charging differs, with the S24 supporting 25 watt and the S24 Plus and S24 Ultra capable of 45 watt fast wired charging. All three phones are slated to run on Android 14-based One UI 6.1, offering various new AI features. Thank you so much for joining me in this video. If you enjoyed what you saw, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below. Peace out.